Hi there, welcome to my channel, Freelance Rahul. I'm Rahul Mondal, expecting technologies for Serversite tracking, Google conversion tracking, Facebook pixel tracking, link tracking, etc. So if you are looking at any of the service, you will get my email and WhatsApp number in the description. Just contact me. I'll set up everything very accurately. So today's tutorial, I will show you a very important thing. It is called engagement rate for Facebook API conversion. So in Google Analytics 4, there is an automatic system. If a visitor visit your website and if the visitor spend 10 seconds, it is counted as an event, engagement event. But in case of Facebook API conversion, there is no automatic system. We have to track everything manually, and you can use the automated system, but that are not perfect. Expert says the standard way is tracking using Google Tag Manager. So let's create a tag for Facebook engagement rate. So for engagement rate, suppose someone come to your website and spend 10 seconds, then it will be counted at engagement rate. So you want to know the people who has come to your website and spent 10 seconds. So how to do that? So I am configuring the people who have come to your website and spend 10 seconds. You can configure who have spent 20, 30, 50, 1 minute. So you can configure everything. So just create a tag for it. So give this a name. Select the web pixel. Select the constant variable from where is the constant variable? Okay, every constant variable. Now this is a custom event. So I am giving this name like this. You can give the name as you want, but write like this, small letter and using underscore. So after that we have to create a trigger for it. Let's create a trigger for this. Give it a name. So the trigger will be here. You can see timer. There are option timer. Select the timer option. You can see here this will be counted as millisecond. So you have to paste the millisecond here. Suppose you want to track 1 second, then you have to type here 1000. So 1 second equal to 1000 millisecond. 1000 millisecond equal to 1 second. So I am tracking those people who have spent 10 seconds. That's why I will give 10,000. So I am giving here 10,000 and the limit is 1. Paste 1 here, and here you have to select event, and here you have to select mass regex, then dot star. This means for every event this will be counted. 10 second page view, 10 second will be counted, 10 second will be fed. So now just save this event messages dot star. So everything has been configured. Now I will check whether it is working or not in the event manager. So let's go to the preview mode. 10 second. I hope it will be appear here. You can see every 10 second we have received it. This is a custom event, so it is working properly. So thank you so much for watching.